rid of the giants and I'm looking for something new. Cause the giants, they've got variety when it comes to hamburger recipes. I'm gonna cut loose, eat all I can, and I've got plenty of money to spend. I wanna open up a restaurant here on Earth. I wanna get rich with the giants recipe. But first I gotta climb my way up to Hamburger. I better bring my pencil and erasers and a table just in case. Okay, I'm ready.
Climbing the ladder, 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 climbing the ladder. We're the money in Bob's pocket. 'Cause of gravity, we're falling down, 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 and Bob keeps on climbing. We're falling down, 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 down. We're the giants. Welcome to Hamburger. Step on up and you can place your order.
Well, let me just get my money and oh, where did all of my money go?
We're falling down, 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 down. That's no problem. Why don't we just barter? How about two of those erasers in that pencil in his pocket? Oh, great idea! We'll trade you for that there pencil and 2 erasers. And what else? The table, and a table.
You've got yourselves a deal.
Climbing down the ladder, 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 down the ladder.
Now I've opened up Bob's Giant Hamburgers. Everybody loves the Giant's recipes. And now I'm wealthy from feeding the whole city. Thank the Giants every day for the little trade they made.